Welcome everyone to today's event from FDA Educator. My name is Deb Johnson and I'll be your conference operator for today's National Web Conference titled Sterility Failure Investigation, a Step-by-Step Process for Success. As a reminder, this call has been recorded and will be made available for purchase on DVD and electronic transcript. I would like to introduce your speaker for today, Ms. Danielle DeLucy. Ms. Danielle is an owner of ASA Training and Consulting LLC, which provides pharmaceutical and biologics-based companies with training and quality system assistance in order to meet regulatory compliance. Prior to this role, Danielle has been in the industry for 15 years, serving in numerous quality management roles, such as a director of product quality, the oversight of sterility assurance practices, and provider QA oversight of numerous filling and packaging operations. Danielle began her QA career as a quality control pharmaceutical microbiologist at a contract laboratory where she performed various tests for their clients. In the years after, she has held position in the quality management arena. While increasing her responsibility, she has helped to lead many regulatory health inspections and was instrumental in the coaching process of her prior to any inspection. Currently, Danielle assists companies who are faced with warning letters, constant decreases, and those wishing to improve compliance, establish more robust quality systems so that the company can succeed. Welcome, Danielle. We are ready to begin.
Thank you very much. Welcome everyone to today's webinar on step-by-step instructions for investigating sterility failures. We have quite a full agenda to get through today. We'll be going over the FDA regulations and the guidance on sterility failure investigations. There's a lot of information that are contained in both, and that will be peppered throughout the webinar. We'll also go through some stages of the investigation, how you can make it a little bit more efficient by actually separating it into two sections, one being the lab investigation and one being the manufacturing investigation when you have such a critical issue such as a sterility failure. We'll go through some tools that you can use to help determine the root cause of the sterility failure. We'll also step through how to categorize your sterility results and how to address any of the lots that are affected, what impact the sterility failure has on those. We'll also step through areas, parameters, and variables to investigate. There's always a lot of different things that need to be looked at through a sterility investigation, how to document them, and then how to create your corrective and preventative action plan that actually addresses the root cause.